Hello, I'm Floyd Bowling, owner of Bowling's Last Christmas Tree Stand. Today we're going to go through the 4 different size Christmas tree stands that we have to offer to help you figure out which stand best suits your needs. This is our 6XTS model Christmas tree stand. It is designed to hold up to a 7-foot tall tree. Has a water capacity, an empty water capacity of 2 quarts. Has a 6 1/8 inch inside diameter bowl, has 12-inch long legs, has a 1/2 inch by 3 inch T-bolts, has the 3/8 inch by 1 inch lag bolt in the bottom of the canister that is designed to stabilize the bottom of the trunk of the tree, has complete instructions on the bottom. This is our 8XTS model Christmas tree stand. It is designed to hold up to a 9-foot tall tree, has a 1.2 gallon water reservoir, 8 1/8 inch inside diameter bowl, 5 inches in depth, has a 3/8 by 1 inch lag bolt in the bottom of the canister to help stabilize the bottom of the trunk of the tree, has 12-inch long legs, has complete instructions on the bottom of the canister. This is our 10XTS Christmas tree stand. It is designed to hold up to a 12-foot tall tree. Has an inside diameter of 10 1/8 inch. Has a 6-inch depth. Has the 3/8 by 1 inch lag bolt in the bottom of the canister. Weighs 23 pounds. Has the 5/8 by 5 inch bolts that are used to tighten up against the trunk of the tree. On the bottom of the canister is the instructions. This is our 12XTS model Christmas tree stand. It is designed to hold up to a 20-foot tall tree depending on the variety. It weighs a total of 66 pounds. It has complete instructions on the side of the canister. It has 3/4 inch by 6 inch long T-bolts. It has what we call the nut washer assembly to give it more surface up against the trunk of the tree. It has a total water capacity of 4 gallons. Has 4 legs that are 28 inches in length. They go into the what we call the cross, 6 inches. Then we tighten these up. There's 4 of them on the tree stand. Has a total diameter of approximately 5 foot. The width of the bowl is 12 1/8 inches. 3/4 inch by 2 inch long bolt that's welded to the bottom of the canister to help stabilize the bottom of the trunk of the tree. If you have any further questions, you can find our contact info at christmastreestand.com. Have a Merry Christmas.